Let's run through some of the causes of low testosterone in otherwise healthy men. Number one, sleep issues. And lumped into this are going to be sleep apnea, shift work, that kind of stuff. So if your sleep is shifting day to day, or if you're going to have periods of not breathing when you're sleeping, which is what sleep apnea is, all those things are going to tell your brain to decrease the hormones that tell your body to make testosterone. Testicular issues. This is the other major cause here. So if the machinery below the belt is not working properly, that's obviously going to affect the production of sperm and testosterone. One of the main kind of structural causes that goes undiagnosed a lot of times is something called a varicocele. What that means is a blood vessel, a vein that's gotten too large, and that extra blood flow down there actually raises the temperature just enough to decrease the ability to produce testosterone. They're pretty sensitive. That's why they're outside of our bodies. In these cases, if you're a guy who's had fertility issues but didn't have your testosterone checked, you may want to get it checked because that may be why you're having these testosterone symptoms. Those causes tend to go hand in hand because the same things that affect sperm production affect testosterone production and vice versa. Chronic opioids. So in this case, if you're on a stable regimen of medication-assisted therapy here, so something like Suboxone or methadone, and it's keeping you from relapsing, don't go off of this unless you're ready. In these cases, unfortunately, opioids can actually work in a few different ways to lower your testosterone levels, and because of that, you may have low testosterone because of this therapy that's super necessary to keep you otherwise healthy. Genetics. This one you can't change, obviously. So if your father and your brother and your uncle and everyone else has low testosterone despite good health, there's something in your genes that is not working in your favor. In those cases, it's typically going to show up as a low luteinizing hormone in your labs. But also in these cases, like I said before, if your sleep's affected because of low testosterone, then your sleep is going to worsen your testosterone too. Similarly, just general stress, you're going to feel more of that stress if your testosterone is low. So once you get to a certain point and it's running away from you, testosterone therapy might be the thing that fixes the thing that was worsening testosterone. So go see a doctor.